The female mind is a dangerous and devious place, full of pitfalls and hazards. This is why you should never take anything that a woman says at face value, because chances are, there is a hidden meaning behind her words. Are you scared? Well, you should be. Trying to totally understand a woman is practically impossible, as male minds just aren't meant to do so. What would seem totally illogical to us makes perfect sense to them, and what we see as common sense, they see as stupidity. Fear not, though, as there is a way to partially decipher a woman's mind to ensure that you avoid the most glaring pitfalls: female psychology. By using this, it becomes possible to partially understand what makes women tick and gives you an edge when it comes to dealing with their notorious unpredictability. Reverse psychology. Never give a woman an ultimatum, as doing so will only set off alarm bells inside her head and make her rebel against whatever it is you asked her to do in the first place. Instead, suggest things and give her two options while asking her to pick the one she likes best. In giving her the options, make the one you don't want her to pick markedly worse than the one you do want her to pick, essentially guaranteeing that she goes the way you want her to while still giving her the illusion that she's in control. Mind games. If all of the constant games, tests, and suspicions are getting on your nerves, play mind games on her so that she ends up doing exactly what you want when you want it. This does not mean turning her into a robot, though. This just means gaining control of her emotional response system. Once you control it, you will be able to steer her actions by influencing her emotions, essentially giving you direct control over her without her realizing it. This mind games tactic is actually a simplified version of a hypnosis trick known as fractionation, which is said to give guys the superpowers to seduce women faster than you ever thought possible.